May I have attention, please? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good morning, ma'am, and all my friends. First of all, I would like to thank to God Almighty. Because of His mercy and grace, we can all gather through this online class with healthy and sane conditions in this morning. Second, I would like to say thank you to Ma'am Lely as a lecturer in the Introduction to ICT in ELT course, who was pleased to attend this online class in this morning. Last but not least, I would like to say thank you to all my beloved friends who take the time to attend this online class, even though they are still sleepy or no one had breakfast. It's great to see you all. Now, before I continue my presentations today, I will introduce myself first. Hello everyone, my name is Ilma Izza Khairunnisa with my student registration number 23210525. I'm a student exchange from State University of Medan, and I took the Introduction to ICT in ELT course with PBI class D. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start the presentation. Okay, in these presentations, I will explain about synchronous and asynchronous. What is synchronous and asynchronous? The words synchronous and asynchronous have become part of our lives, especially when it comes to the forms of synchronous and asynchronous learning and working that have been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic. The terms are also used in other contexts, including in digital technology and in general, such as to differentiate forms of communications that happen in real time from those that do not. I will talk about synchronous first. Synchronous is an adjective that's defined as occurring at the same time. Synchronous learning refers to instructor and student gathering at the same time, or virtual or physical place and interacting in real time. In general, synchronous is used to describe things that happen at the same time. Synchronous communications involve real-time back and forth talking face-to-face, and video chatting are synchronous forms of communications. That's all about synchronous. Now, I will talk about asynchronous. Asynchronous is an adjective that means not occurring at the same time. Asynchronous learning refers to students accessing material at their own pace and interacting with each other over longer periods. In general, synchronous is used to describe things that do not happen in parallel. Asynchronous communications, for examples, involve messages being transmitted back and forth, but not through direct interactions and not necessarily at the same time. Examples include email and message board. Texting, though often immediate, is typically considered asynchronous because it does not necessarily need to happen in sync. Okay, that's all my presentation today. I hope that my presentations of today's material can provide benefit and increase knowledge. In the end, I would like to say thank you so much to Ma'am Lely and all my friends who have paid attention to my presentations from beginning to ending. Hopefully, I can meet again at the next opportunity. I end it. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am, and all my friends.